monsters are coming. It's the O'Reilly Auto Parts Outlaw Nationals, presented by Buffalo Run Casino and Resort. Two big shows Friday and Saturday, June 5th and 6th. See 14 killer monster trucks live at the Miami Fairgrounds. WILDSIDE, JURASSIC Attack, Frostbite, KRAZY, Train, VELOCIRAPTOR, HAYMAKER, BARBARIan, Overboard, UPROAR, Twisted Addiction, Plane Crazy, Terminal Velocity, Tailgator, and Bad Decision. It's the ultimate once-a-year family fun event. Strap in and take a ride in a real monster truck. See high-flying pro and stock tough trucks battling it out. Destruction starts at 7 p.m. both nights. Friday night is Kids Working Hands Car Wash Night. The first 400 get free toy monster trucks. Special thanks to Superior Rates, Heritage Tractor, Signature Rentals, Elite Heavy Haul, R6 Recycling, and Dumpster General. June 5th and 6th at Miami Fairgrounds. Save cash. Discount tickets on sale now at O'Reilly Auto Parts stores and StubWire.com. Don't miss our 45th year ultimate celebration in Miami.